Unplug the refrigerator to disconnect power. Remove these 3 screws for the control panel assembly. Remove the 2 screws in the back, and then remove the screw in the front. While securing the control panel with one hand, disconnect the electrical connection. Note the many manual locations, as seen here. Remove the ground clip that is secured to the reflector shield. And then remove the push-pin fastener that secures the reflector shield to the control panel assembly. To remove the thermostat, gently pry the locking tab on the right side of the control panel as seen here, while lifting and pulling the thermostat out of the sleeve on the other side. No tools are required. To test the thermostat contacts, remove the gray wire and the double brown wires. Place the leads of the test meter across the 2 terminals. A reading of 0 or a very low resistance is normal. However, in this case, the reading shows open contacts because the thermostat is turned off. Be sure the thermostat is in the on position. Now, when testing the 2 contacts, the resistance reading is correct. This indicates the contacts are properly closed. However, this does not confirm the temperature accuracy of the thermostat. Now, to completely remove the thermostat for replacement, you would need to lift the capillary out of place. Note how the capillary tube runs down and behind the foam air baffle. Also note the vinyl sleeve at the end of the capillary tube. Be sure to reinstall the vinyl sleeve on the end of the new thermostat and route the capillary in the same location as the original one.